My head hurts this morning. My head hurts this morning.
My shoulders hurt after exercises. My shoulders hurt after exercises.
She fainted because of the heat. She fainted because of the heat. She vomited after eating spoiled food. She vomited after eating spoiled food.
My upper back hurts. My upper back hurts.
I've got a cold. I've got a cold. I take pills. I take pills.
I'm constipated. I'm constipated.
I have a cough. I have a cough.
My tummy hurts. My tummy hurts.
My arms and legs fell asleep. My arms and legs fell asleep. My chest started hurting. My chest started hurting.
The back of my leg is tight. The back of my leg is tight.
I've got a fever. I've got a fever.
I got a chicken pox. I got a chicken pox.
I have a runny nose. I have a runny nose.
I check my blood sugar myself. I check my blood sugar myself. I use an inhaler to breathe. I use an inhaler to breathe. I came for a checkup. I came for a checkup.